YouTube, you're watching Classic S4. So guys, in this video we're going to review, run and unbox the product StarSat SR-4080HD Extreme. So guys, the basic highlighted feature of this STB is that it is basically H.264 digital full HD satellite receiver. So as you guys can see on the box, what are the basic feature are mentioned. So it has two number of USB port, it has a HDMI port, it supports the Wi-Fi interface, it has capability to do the blind scan, it is full HD up to 1080p. It has a PVR function which stands for personal video recorder. It supports the 4G dongle devices, and it has only one external IR sensor. It doesn't have internal IR sensor. Also, it has a channel memory of 7000 channel, and it supports a lot of variety of online feature like weather forecast, RSS feed. It also supports DLNA feature, and while in the old software you can use the GM Screen app for Dish Finder or DVB Finder, but in the latest software I think it doesn't support this feature. So anyhow, let's unbox the product and see what we have got. So at first we have got this user manual. So it has a detailed prescription of its basic installation guide, not only in English but also in Arabic language. So this is the STB. We will put it aside and see it later. So let's see what other accessories we have got. So at first we have got this remote control. The quality of this remote control is very good as compared to low budget price. The next thing which we have got is this power adapter. So the important thing is that its rating, the rating, minimum rating, you can say the output of this power adapter is 1 ampere and 1 ampere and 12 volt. So if my camera can focus it, so here you can see. So it is very important, if this adapter got malfunction or you have to change the adapter, then it is very essential that you must choose the correct or that compatible rating adapter, power adapter. So here, this is the external IR sensor. This is the mini HDMI cable. So many customers ask why they have provided this mini HDMI cable. So guys, because the design, this has to be basically designed that you must have to hide either at the back of LED or you have to mount it on the wall very close to the HDMI port of your display unit like your LED or LCD. So here we have got two number of AAA size battery cell, and at last what we have got, we have got two pair of double-sided tapes. One pair tape should be used for mounting this external IR sensor, and one tape is for mounting your this wall bracket. Sorry, like this. This is the correct. So now we will unwrap the device and see how it looks like. So this is the top of the device. Here they have given you the holes for the ventilation, and here you can see the logo of StarSat. At left side, what and which ports we have got. At first we have got this port for connecting your power adapter. The second one is to connect the external IR sensor. Here you have got one number of USB port, and this has to be can easily be recoverable by the USB, but if you are unable to recover it with the help of USB, you guys can use the loader by using this interface port in order to connect the RS-232 cable. So at first you have to connect the RS-232 male jack, and then you will follow on the next procedure. So the right side, what we have got, at first we have got this jack for connecting your dish antenna. The second one is another USB port, so it means you have got two number of USB port like I mentioned earlier. The third one is HDMI port for connecting the high definition media interface output, and the last one is this 3.5 mm AV port, and with the help of this port you can connect this STB with the old TV set. So at the bottom you have again got the slot for ventilation, and at bottom you guys can also lock this bracket and like this. You can use this double sided tape to mount either on the wall or at the back of LED if you want to hide this STB. So anyhow, again let me repeat it. Basic feature: it is full HD H.264 digital satellite receiver. You can easily cover with the help of USB. It has a blind scan feature. It has PVR function. It has two number of USB ports, and have a very good quality tuner, and it has a very good picture quality. So these are the accessories which we have got in this box. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any question or query, you can contact on our WhatsApp number, and also we are doing the international shipping worldwide. So let's turn on the device and see how its user interface look like. See you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.